Are you looking for a company that genuinely cares about its employees? Would you like to be on a great team at work? Are you looking for a workplace with a superior safety culture? A place that significantly invests in training its workforce? A company with good pay, good benefits, profit sharing, and real core values? Then you may be looking to join our team at Talan Products. Since 1986, Talan Products has been a high-growth company, and an important key to that success has been partnering with our customers, our suppliers, and our team members. We not only offer good wages and benefits to our team members, but we offer growth. We train and promote from within. We spend more than 3 times the industry average in hours of training, and 4 times the industry average in dollar investment in training. Through this training, our team members have a path to grow at Talan Products. Our plant manager started out as a shop floor team member. One of our buyers, our production floor managers, and several quality inspectors all started out on the shop floor. There are a variety of opportunities here at Talan Products. Work-life balance is important to maintain a healthy and happy team. We have events throughout the year like lunches, picnics, and an annual golf outing. There is a time for work, and there is a time for relaxing and laughter. If you can laugh together, then you can work together. One of the ways we know that we have a happy and content team is that our turnover is among the lowest in our industry. It is very common for our team members to have 10 or more years of service with Talan Products. Together, ordinary people can achieve extraordinary results. Talan Products has won many awards for growth, such as the Weatherhead 100 10 times, the Inner City 100 6 times, Evolution of Manufacturing 3 times, and many safety awards. We have worked over 1 million labor hours with only 1 lost time accident. Would you like to be on a high-performing team? Talan Products keeps growing, and our team members grow right along with us. Check out our job postings today and apply for the opportunity to join a great team.